you, Priya.
Thank you, Satish. Toastmaster Muki learned who we are is defined by our actions. He is attempting his speech from Dynamic Leadership Path, Project 2, Level 4. Action speaks louder than technique. Toastmaster Muki. Toastmaster Muki, action speaks louder than technique. Over to you, Muki.
When you hear this phrase, what comes to your mind? Action speaks louder than words, right? Where this change happened, the words got magically changed into technique. Across us, all the things which is happening around us based on what we want and what we want to achieve. I had chosen a project in my curriculum. It's a capstone project where I have to work on a business proposal or a business case, or I have to work for my organization's need for any management reason. I had chosen something which is close to my heart. And what was close to my heart is artificial intelligence. And I was not clear of how this modeling of artificial intelligence can fit into this frame of management. And that's when I Googled, and without being off conscious, I just want to connect the dots. I was not clear of how I will be connecting. That's how AI comes into picture. And I found that psychology is a little bit of interest, and then mixed these two, and then I found that neuroscience and AI is used for by the neuromarketers to effectively communicate what they have in their mind. So around us, everything has been carefully crafted, and around us, we are super predictably irrational. So with this thought process, things are designed such a way. For example, WhatsApp notification or notification which you have in your mobile phone, it automatically notifies and it wants your grab attention every time, right? So similarly, everything, if that can be designed and if it can be learned, that's when the subjects which I have not been interested earlier, after started writing this blog, had made me to start looking into and then read about. One is behavioral economist. I thought it's a super abstract subject, but then behavioral economist gave me a perspective that each of our actions is predictable, or like how our behaviors blend into the choice decisions which we make when it comes to purchase or winning a deal. Why we need to be knowing about it, or why I have to blog, and what is that gaining out of? All I just started to make myself, a inquisitive journey of reading. But today, after 1 month, just 1 month before I started writing this blog, and just of a notion of getting my project one to be completed, it had helped me when my project one deadline was nearing. I had plethora of information which I already have read, and then have to share. And it had helped me to summarize what I had, and it also have over the period helped me to paraphrase what I have in my mind clearly. Writing blog is something, wetting it out as people do journaling every day. Journaling brings in the activity of connecting your thought into action, and blog is something which you can make a public statement, and those public statement drives you to be in action. Thank you. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you, Toastmaster Muki. Can we have the link for breakfast table evaluation?
Sure. Just a minute. Let me ping that here.
While giving breakfast table evaluation, I would like to share the learning of our own Toastmaster, Toastmaster Putatan. He says he lived to eat, rather eat to live. He has gained weight during this pandemic, it seems. Yeah, the link is there in the chat. So kindly do cast your evaluations.
Shall we move on to the improvements?
Yes,
I gave some
please.
feedback. It is not shown on the screen. I don't know.
It'll take some time, sir. Yeah.
If you press yes, I think it will get refreshed. Yes key.
Yes, sir. Okay. Sir. Sure. Thank you, Priya. Over to you.
Thank you, Ashok. Our second speaker enrolled for an online class and practicing Ashtanga style of yoga since March. He feels that this is one great thing that happened to him during this pandemic. Wow. Let's hear from his evaluator, Toastmaster Gopinath, about his speech objectives. Over to you, Toastmaster Gopinath.
Good morning once again, Raki. Toastmaster Ashok is attempting his level 2 on project 2 on innovative planning.